Hi all, in this video I'll show you how to fix Agent XPs disabled. Okay, so sometimes you can see Agent XPs disabled. Sometimes if you see this kind of error, you can simply right click on it and you can start the agent. Okay, you can see the agent button will be available to start. Okay, it will be in like enabled state, like how you can see the stop and restart buttons. In the same way, your start button also will be highlighted sometimes. Okay, if the SQL agent is like it is showing agent XP is disabled, so the simple solution is right click on it, just click on start button. If the start button is already highlighted, sometimes you don't see the start button highlighted. Okay, it will be grayed out like this. Okay, so you cannot start it, right? But the agent service is up and running only. But still, if you see these kind of issues, okay, how to fix that issue? Right, write this command sp underscore configure. Okay, if you run this command sp underscore configure, you have to enable, or else first run this command. You can see whether agent XPs, whether you can see it or not. Okay, so if you see here agent XPs, the current state is in disabled state. Okay, the current state is in disabled state. 0 means disabled, run value 0 means it is disabled, run value 1 means it is enabled. Okay, so you have to first enable this one agent XPs. Okay, how can we enable sp underscore configure? Okay, simply just open a single quotes and copy this value agent XPs. You can see here under this. Okay, agent, you can see agent XP is disabled, so we are enabling it. Okay, just copy the setting, and to enable it the setting is 1. Okay, you have to type 1 so that this setting will be enabled, right? Once you run this query, to save these settings permanently, you have to run, okay, a reconfigure. You have to run reconfigure command to save the setting permanently. So select this query and you can run this one. Now just if you want to check it whether it is enabled or disabled, now you can see agent XPC is enabled. See here it is showing 1. Earlier it shows 0, now it is showing 1. So now agent XPC is disabled. Sorry, I'm sorry, enabled. Now agent XP is enabled. Okay, so now what you can do, just refresh if you want. Once refresh the server, SQL server, and you can see immediately the SQL server agent is up and running. Okay, so in this way, you can fix this agent XPs disabled. Okay, so this is how we are going to, okay, uh, enable the agent XPs, and this is how we are going to start the agent. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.